paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's draw junk food today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! Why don't we start by making a semicircle for our burger? After that, to make it a little healthy, why don't we put green vegetables and then our favorite cheese. After that, let's put a patty and then some more cheese. Well, why don't we put another bun to close it? Great! Let's make its cute eyes and a nice smile. This looks so cute. To go with the burger, what do we usually eat? French fries, that's nice. Now, do you know what is French fries made of? Yes, it is made out of potatoes. Let's make a nice box for our French fries and then start making rectangles. Well, we will make long and thin rectangles overlapping each other so that it looks like tasty French fries. Why don't we overlap the French fries on top of each other? For that, you just have to make slanting line and sleeping line. This looks great. We can even give it cute little hands and legs. Now, why don't we start by coloring the hamburger first? Let's do the bun with this color. If you have a light brown color, you can use a light brown color for the same, or you can start with cream color. Yes, on top and below as well. To make cute little cheeks, why don't we use pink color near the eyes? And now, to give it a beautiful shade, we will use brown color for the edges or corners. Yes, we will use the brown color for the outline. You can also smudge it a little with your fingers. This looks lovely, isn't it? Now, let's repeat the same step for the other bun. This looks great. Now, let's color the cheese with yellow color. And why don't we color the sauce with orange color? we touch the outer line and color first, and then we will color inside. Now, let's use green color for the green leafy vegetable, which is called lettuce. After that, you can use brown color for the patty. Well, this looks lovely, isn't it? To color the eye, you can use the black sketch pen. This looks great. Now, why don't we go ahead with the French fries? For the French fries, why don't we use pink color for the cheeks and then red color for the packet? Let's color by coloring the outer line first. And then start coloring inside. We will not leave any white gaps in the middle. For the French fries, why don't we take yellow color? Color slowly in each and every French fry. This is mouth-watering. But this is junk food and it is not healthy. To give it a beautiful shape, we can also use orange color on the corners and then smudge it with our fingers. Bravo! You can do a thicker outline for the eyes as well. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video.